peacock cells. Oh my Nanta. Yeah, this is off camera. I'm gonna do a big one like this. This is just a bloom spun out. Colors, unbelievable. Yep, it's a winner. It's a winner. Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm just playing with some blooms. I did a bloom off camera and absolutely loved it, and I want to try to give it a mate. We're gonna give it a mate. So I started out with, this is a combination of golden Phthalo turquoise light, but I lightened it up quite a bit with some titanium white, and I put a little bit of ultramarine blue in here. So it's like a Tiffany blue. So we're just gonna put that down. And it's just a straight on bloom. And then we are going to put down the Phthalo turquoise. It's a lot. And then we're going to put down the magenta. Ooh, that's thick. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know how that one's gonna work out, but we'll see. But I'm blowing them out anyway, so they tend to move pretty well. And right after that, I am putting down some gold, and a lot of it. There we go. Some pearl. And this is, just got this in, and it's dirty already. It's LUMIERE Halo Violet Gold. So it should, I don't know, did I do, yeah, I guess I did. Here we go. Goes on top. And then we are going to put down, this is a CA with Atelier Blue Black and Atelier Prussian Blue. I think that was the order I had it in. See, it's always good to I always tell you guys, you should always document your work, and I didn't do it for that last one, and it turned out so pretty. So we'll have to see if this works. Okay, so low fan, cool. Well, it looks like my cell activator is a little thick. This does not look at all like the other one I just did. This is the one I just did. I think that the gold was on top. Interesting. Oh boy. Well, it seems to be, I'm just gonna give it a few minutes and I'm gonna give it a spin. Yeah, wow, it is really pretty. I wanted, in the last one, I didn't put that much gold. This one I put a lot more. And I got a lot of peacock cells in the last one. But I am looking, I wanted to get some gold with the magenta because I love that combination. It's so pretty. This wasn't the best blowout. But once I spin it, it'll be fine. Salacious. I'm gonna, I mixed the CA right up to the top, so there was hardly any room to put any more Flutarod. We're just gonna give that a minute or two. These colors are for my dear friend Heidi Tritcher in, I think it's British Columbia. I know she's in Canada. Eh? Fellow Canadian, eh? Yeah. Well, that's, yeah, that helped a lot. So I'm going to spin this out now. Have a lot of base paint on there. Wow, that is pretty. Like more base paint than I needed. Wow. Yeah, that's about the same. A little bit more magenta, which is what I was kind of going for. Pretty, pretty. Wow, and then this is really coming out. Oh my goodness, I really like that color combination. So this is gonna come up a little bit more too. I think I might give it one more spin. Those peacock cells coming up. Yay! Pretty ones too. They look really like peacocks. Right there. That's that phthalo turquoise. Just love it. What a great color combination this is. Oh lordy. I'm going to have to do a deconstructed bloom. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah, I met this lady at the art show, and she lives in a mobile home. They travel all over the country, and what a great life that is. She says it has its downfalls too, but she has this beautiful kitchen. She bought a big painting from me too, 20 by 20, but she wanted these tiles for over her stove. So, but these aren't the ones. She wants the wave. She wants a big wave on an 8 by 8, and then 2 of the GCFluidart blowouts like this next to it. So I think it'll be real pretty. Oh my God, I love this. These are kind of wonky in the center. I don't know if I should take a toothpick to them or not. I'm going to, because nothing says, Michelle, you should leave it alone. Like, hey, let's try it. Hey, that's not bad. Yeah, it was just weird. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's it. That's all. My catchphrase. That's it. That's all. Yeah, that's pretty. I really like that. Welcome to Tuesday night at the races. Look at that just developing. It's just so pretty. It never ceases to amaze me, the paint reactions. I'm in awe every time I do one. Yep, I hope it dries well. Oh, I'll probably be posting the video before this one. Yeah. Well, you'll see. I'm not going to give it away. Well, this will probably come out after. Oh my God, maybe not. Who knows? Nice. Nice. Where are the cops? No. All right. You know, I've got to stop using, I don't like using paper towels because to me it's wasteful. So I get these from the dollar store and I just throw them in the wash, you know, and I just wipe my hands with this and I wipe everything with this. And yeah, it works out better. It's just wasteful to use all those paper towels. Not to mention it's expensive. Okay, so now this has all come up pretty well. I am liking it. A lot of peacock cells. Hello, peacock. All right, I gotta find a place to cover these because I really, really, really like them. Did I say really? Yeah, really, okay. All right, I'm gonna turn you guys off. I'm gonna bring you down for a quickie here. That's what all my boyfriends say. Just kidding. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So here it is. Just luscious ore. I just love that color. Yeah, and that halo violet is very pretty, especially with these colors. Very happy. Just a bloom. Look at that lacing. Oopsie. And that's just from putting the gold underneath the cell activator. So, hey guys, so this is the almost dried result of these. Are you kidding me? That color combination is crazy beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna do this again, deconstructed bloom style, and might not look exactly like this because these are smaller tiles, they're 6 by 6. But yeah, these are pretty darn cool. I'm liking it a lot. A lot. I might even do a big tile. Anyhow, that's it. That's all. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.